Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change voice pitch in 11Labs. So actually guys, as first you'll need to go to the 11labs.io website and then just sign in to your account, and after that you will need to navigate to the text to speech option. It's under the playground section on the left hand menu. Just click it just like so, and then choose the voice that you want to use from your library. So here on the right hand menu, go with voices and just choose a voice. So you can type right here the kind of or the type of the voice that you want. So you can go with smooth, clear, etc. So for example, you go with that one, smooth and calm and clear. Okay, then just go here and type the text you want the AI to read, okay, and the text box, and after that just adjust the pitch or pitch. So here on the right hand menu you can find the pitch option, and yeah, it's required a subscription to have it. So you all need to choose a plan from here and subscribe to the 11Labs. So once you can see it, right now I'm going to explain if you set it to low, okay, that will give a deeper voice. If you set it at the default or the normal, it's the standard voice. And if you slide it into the higher pitch, that means a lighter or more youthful voice. So move the slider gradually to find the most natural sounding pitch for your text. Okay, so after you finish, just go ahead and click on generate speech right here, and then go with download latest. Right, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.